what's up, Sammy here. Today let's take a quick look at Xiaomi's newest earbuds, the Mi Buds 3 Pro, which was released along with Xiaomi CV and Watch Color 2 several days ago. I've got to say, Xiaomi has a really weird way to name its products. See, they have Air Dots, Air, and even Flip Buds. That's a total random one, right? Anyway, let's get to the Mi Buds 3 Pro. It adopts the same packaging as the Flip Buds Pro. One thing I noticed is they have changed the Mi logo to the new rounded one, because Xiaomi watched my previous video and took action. Very strange, they didn't use the new more rounded logo. But the highlights of the Buds 3 Pro, we have 40 decibels dynamic noise cancelling, diamond-like dual magnet drive unit, don't know what the hell is that, head tracking spatial audio, probably another gimmick, 96 kHz high-definition audio, brand new Bluetooth 5.2, and a multi-device smart connection. Down that, there are more information of the earbuds. The weight is 48 grams. Ooh. Out of the box, we see the charging case, a Type-C cable, 3 pairs of ear tips, and of course, the manual. But I don't know where we'll put it, so ask Xiaomi customer service send me the PDF manual. No worries, I will walk you through all the gesture controls later. Moving to the Buds 3 Pro, the material of the charging case doesn't use the Flip Buds Pro's glossy surface treatment process, but uses a similar frosted treatment process similar to the Air 2 Pro. I like it because it's not easy to get the fingerprints and smudges. At the bottom of the case, it has a charging port and a function button. On the front, we have the indicator, and that's the case. If you have to ask what's the major difference between the Flip Buds Pro and the Buds 3 Pro regarding the design of the earbuds, I guess one is on the 3 Pro they've added a protruding part to let you know where the pressure sensitive area, and second is the design of the prolonged strap, which is now included the in-ear detecting sensor part, as you can see from the video, though from my point of view, that wouldn't be easier to get the dust or gunk. Anyway, moving to the gesture control, you should press once to answer or hang up calls, should press twice to reject a phone call. When listening to music, should press once to play or pause, should press twice to skip to the next tune, thrice to the last tune. You hold on the touch arrow for 2 seconds to switch between ANC on, transparent mode, and ANC off. That's basically all the controls. Still no gesture for volume controls. Now, let me talk about my short-time use experience. First, about the noise cancelling ability. The official Xiaomi info says the maximum noise reduction depth can reach 40 decibels. It's certified by the Chinese Institute of Metrology and is the only authoritative certification in the industry. But very strange from my experience, and also same is, we're not very surprised by that. When we enable the noise cancelling mode, still you can hear people talking clearly. As time is tight, we didn't test more, but one thing we both love is the audio quality. We found it sounds great. Very well balanced and full-bodied, and generates clear sound. I know many of you may want to know how the Spatial audio sounds like. Well, currently it only supports Xiaomi CV phone and only on one Chinese video app called iQIYI. As I checked with Xiaomi customer service, they say we'll support more in the future, but who knows. I would say this is more of a gimmick feature than practical use. In terms of wearing, as you can see from the ear tip, it has different design from the Flip Buds Pro, and according to Xiaomi, should be more comfortable to wear. But again, I still didn't feel so. Though the Buds 3 Pro looks like AirPods Pro in the design, it just doesn't give you the same comfort. So, to conclude, I'm a bit disappointed with the Mi Buds 3 Pro. Everything claimed to be compelling turns out to be just another normal pair of earbuds. I strongly suggest not buying it and wait for more upgrades on Buds 3 Pro. And to be honest, for international users, this pair of earbuds is not user-friendly at the moment, as we can tell. If you have to get one, the Mi Flip Buds Pro by far is the best from Xiaomi, and that's proved by many users. I'm Sammy, I will see you in the next one. And please don't forget to subscribe. Peace!